The delta audio amplifier 9001. Red one is the positive voltage, yellow one is the negative voltage, and this blue one is the output. Yes, 15 to 15 volt voltage, volume, audio input, ADD, this one bridge mode socket line, and this one ADD socket, ADD wire. This on the ground, this one for the ground. And this is AC voltage for fan. This fan wire. This is also same ground voltage. LED wire. This one is volume. Audio input. A small voltage 15 to 15. Positive voltage. Positive high voltage. Negative voltage. Negative high voltage. And the output. AC for this fan is the fan socket. Need to take out the circuit first. Someone repair before. Oh look, it has not transistor, and this transistor leg or duplicate leg. Someone makes that leg using the wire. Not transistor. Oh, this side also missing transistor. Three, three. Need to recreate this circuit. Well, circuit looks well, but need to check. This board circuit need to repair first. I am going to check the voltage. This positive and negative voltage. Positive and negative voltage. Yellow one is the negative and red one is the positive voltage. Let's check the voltage. This is the negative voltage, and this is the positive voltage. Look here is 139 voltage. 139 voltage. Need to check the another side. Negative voltage and positive voltage. Look, it has no voltage. It has no voltage. There is no voltage. I have to check the fuse. Look, this wire need to fix first. It is stuck ready. Okay. Look, this fuse has burned. This fuse has burned. Need to change. Need to change the fuse. I'm taking out the fuse, desoldering the fuse. Oh no, it's fall down. The fuses fall down. No, the fuse come out from the under the circuit. Again I've gone inside. Sorry for that. Wait for a while, I am taking out. Look, the fuses burned ready, need to change. I have I'm going to check the fuse. I'm taking new fuse. This is 20 ampere fuse. 20 ampere. Only 50 volts. This fuse is okay, it's a new one. This fuse is okay, it's new one fuse. This is the old one. It's dust ready, fuse ready, burn ready, it's burn ready. Now I'm going to fix new one. This is the new fuse. Fixed ready. Now I'm going to solder the fuse. Need to solder with the holder. The fuse need to solder with the fuse holder. The fuse need to solder nicely, otherwise it can make fire. Sorry, I'm taking some time. Now I'm going to check the voltage. Negative voltage. Read on the positive voltage. Now look, now it sets the voltage. Whereas voltage 138. Now I'm going to check the circuit. 138 voltage. Now need to check the circuit. Wait. Every time need to discharge the capacitor. These two circuit need to repair. Thank you for watching.